Place the penny back into the salt and vinegar solution. When we do this, the vinegar and salt will clean the malachite off the penny, but will also take a small layer of copper off of the penny at the same time. Take the penny out of the solution and let the malachite form again, which will take about an hour every time. Do this step at least 6 times. After you put your penny in and out of the vinegar and salt solution a few times, I recommend grabbing some rough sandpaper and scratch the remaining copper layer until you see a different color metal. This is actually zinc, and this metal makes up most of the pennies made today. Pennies made after 1982 are not made of complete copper. In fact, most pennies made before 1982 were 95% copper and 5% zinc. But after 1982, pennies became 3% copper and 97% zinc. Zinc also has a much stronger chemical reaction to vinegar and salt solutions, which is why it's important you find a penny made after 1982 if you want to do this experiment at home. In this picture, you can clearly see a little bit of the zinc core by Abraham Lincoln's nose. After 12 hours, there's a chemical reaction occurring between the zinc and the solution. Bubbles are coming off of the penny and the color is starting to change. In this picture, we can see that the penny is darkening and the holes from the sandpaper are getting larger. After 36 hours, we can now see parts of the penny in the bottom of the container. We can also see the chemical reaction between the zinc and the solution is becoming stronger as more zinc is being exposed. In this picture, we can see that most of the penny has changed color. The chemical reaction between the zinc and salt and vinegar solution is causing a color changing reaction. After 60 hours, a chemical reaction is still occurring, and the reaction is so strong that it is actually causing the penny to move in the container. Finally, after 84 hours, the chemical reaction between the zinc and solution has caused the penny to become as delicate as an eggshell. The chemical reaction has caused both a physical and color change in the penny. After another few hours of soaking in the solution, the penny from the beginning of the experiment will be a pile of black zinc flakes in the bottom of the container. I hope you all enjoyed watching how to make a penny disappear, and hopefully you can try this experiment at home yourself. I'll see you all next time during our next science experiment.